Welcome back to the keyword research section of our SEO course. In the previous lesson, we talked about the different types of keywords, such as short-tail and long-tail keywords. But now, the big question is, what if you don't have access to paid SEO tools? How can you still find good keywords? The good news is that Google itself is one of the best free keyword research tools available. Google gives us many built-in signals that help us discover what people are actually searching for. In this video, we will learn 4 simple methods to find powerful keywords using Google. Method 1. Google Autocomplete. The first method is Google Autocomplete. When you start typing something in the Google search bar, Google automatically shows several suggestions. For example, if you type SEO for, Google might suggest SEO for beginners, SEO for YouTube, SEO for bloggers, SEO for small businesses. These suggestions are not random. They are based on real searches that people frequently make on Google. This means they can be excellent keyword ideas for your content. That's why Google Autocomplete is one of the easiest ways to discover new keywords. The second method is the People Also Ask section. When you search for something on Google, you will often see a section called People Also Ask. This section shows questions that users commonly search related to your topic. For example, what is SEO in simple words? How do beginners start SEO? Is SEO difficult to learn? These questions are actually long-tail keywords. If you answer these questions in your blog posts or articles, you have a chance to appear in featured snippets and get more organic traffic. The third method is related searches. If you scroll to the bottom of the Google search results page, you will see a section called Related Searches. Here, Google suggests additional keywords that are closely related to your main search. For example, free SEO tools, best SEO tools, SEO audit tools. These suggestions can give you new keyword ideas and content topics. The fourth method is called the alphabet expansion technique. In this method, you add letters of the alphabet after your main keyword. For example, SEO A, SEO B, SEO C. Google will show different suggestions such as SEO audit, SEO basics, SEO checklist, SEO course. By using this technique, you can easily generate dozens of keyword ideas in just a few minutes. Let's quickly recap the 4 powerful ways to find keywords using Google. Google Autocomplete. People Also Ask. Related searches. Alphabet expansion method. And the best part is that all of these methods are completely free. If you are a beginner, Google alone can help you discover hundreds of valuable keyword ideas. In the next lesson, we will learn how to find keywords using free keyword research tools, where you will also be able to check search volume and competition. So continue the course, and I will see you in the next lesson.